Hello guys, I am back with another video. This is Sophia from karkiGeek. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private or similar error message from web browser when attempting to visit a website. The "your connection is not private" error message is exactly what it sounds like. It's a message from your browser that informs you that the connection is not secure. This means that if you aren't using an antivirus or encryption, your device will be a gold mine for hackers. To access a website, your browser must run a check on the digital certificates that are installed on the server to make sure that the site is up to privacy standards and safe to proceed. If your browser finds something wrong with the certificate, it will stop you from accessing the site. This is when you'll see the "your connection is not private" message. These certificates are also known as public key infrastructure or identity certificates. They provide proof that a website is who they say they are. Digital certificates help protect things like your personal information, passwords, and payment information. A Secure Sockets Layer (SSL) certificate is for serving websites over secure HTTPS connections. HTTPS is a security barrier used to safely authorize connections and protect data. An SSL error connection occurs when there is no secure way for your browser to open what you have requested. There can be a few different reasons that a SSL connection error occurs. The certificate is missing or expired. Your browser is not updated. Your antivirus settings or date and time settings are off. There is a server issue. If it's a server problem, then you will have to wait for the owner to fix the issue. Let's solve the issues. Your connection is not private. If date and time is wrong, then correct date and time. Open the Edge. Go to Setting. Search Certificate. Click the Certificates button. Select the Personal tab and click the Import button. Click the Browse button. Go to the location where you stored your digital certificate. In the window completing the certificate import wizard, verify your information and click the Finish button. Your connection is not private. Problem is solved. Thank you for watching guys, good luck. Please subscribe to support my channel.